Hi guys, David Fine from Watch and Live. Welcome to the Fast Fish Fishing Series, where we're gonna help you become a successful beach fisherman. So guys, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna teach you how to throw an 8-foot cast net. So guys, check it out. Let's get to the video. So this is an 8-foot cast net, folks. This is actually a fast sinking, like a ballyhoo net, something that you would use out on a boat to catch bait that are down deep. And so guys, the weights on this are very, very heavy, and this is a very heavy net. So a lot of people shy away from using these big nets because of how heavy they are and how hard they are to throw. I don't use them very much on the beach, but from time to time it does become useful. So guys, let's get to it. This is how you throw a net like this. If you're right-handed or left-handed, guys, I'm gonna show you a couple techniques on how to throw them. First of all, right-handed, you're gonna wanna put the strap on your right hand, and then you're gonna grab little sections, about 2-foot sections, and loop this together in your right hand, just like this. So now all your line is looped together, it's in your right hand. Now you grab the horn, pull it up. This is an 8-foot net, so it's pretty tall, right? So you grab the horn, you grab it up here at about 6.5 feet. Then you're gonna wanna loop it down to about chest high, something like that. So now you see what I got? I grab it up here, go 2 feet down, loop it around. Now I've got my net. This is how I'm gonna throw, guys. So now the next thing you wanna do is you wanna check to make sure there's no tangles in your net, because I don't care how good you are at throwing it, if some of these weights are tangled up, you're never gonna get a good throw. So what you do is you just kind of bring it around your feet. So there's a tangle right here. What you gotta do is you gotta get this kind of thing out.
You got it.
Got it. All right, that was a little exhausting. So now I'm gonna rope up my line again, okay? Gonna rope it up, grab my horn, grab my net up here, about waist high, loop it around. Now everything is in my right hand, guys. See that? Everything's in my right hand. Now, no tangles at all. See that? So now, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a section about that big, probably about a third of the weights, about a third, and we're gonna put them over my right shoulder. So let me show you how I'm doing that. I got a third of the weights, and I'm gonna literally throw them over my right shoulder. Okay, now they're just hanging there. Okay, you see that? Now come on over here, Sophie. So now I've got the weights, a third of the weights hanging over my right shoulder. Now I'm gonna take this line with these weights that's coming off here, and as you can see, the net is already like a third of the way open. So I'm gonna take another third and I'm gonna place it in my left hand. So now, what do I got? I got a third of the weights over my right shoulder. I got a third of the weights in my left hand, and I've got a third of the weights in my right hand. So now what we're gonna do, the net is literally already about halfway open, believe it or not. The thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna rock back and forth a little bit, and I'm literally, when the weight goes back, I'm gonna use that momentum to throw, and I'm gonna throw with my right and my left hand. I'm gonna rotate my trunk, and I'm gonna whip it, and you'll see how it opens up. Now, I'm gonna throw. Ready, guys? So, as you can see, I almost pancaked it. I messed up a little bit, but you can see how that opening is super big. I opened it up probably about 85%. That was not my best throw. But guys, you can see how to throw an 8-foot net. It's not hard at all. It took very little effort. And if you open it up that much, 85%, 90% on a school of bait, you're gonna catch tons of bait. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna try that one more time. Guys, I'm all set up. A third of the weight's on this shoulder, a third of the weight to my left hand and a third of the weight to my right hand, guys. Let's throw it one more time. That's more like it, guys. Pancaking an 8-foot net is not hard to do. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Not hard to throw an 8-foot net. Guys, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out some of our other beach fishing net, how to throw cast nets, 6 foot, 5 foot, 4 foot. We'll show you how to do it. Guys, take care, stay safe, and watch your lip.